I'm Charlotte, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our software week, which is taking place between Monday the 4th of November and Friday the 8th of November. So what is Software Week? It's a series of webinars covering different topics each day. The webinars will take place at 8:30 in the morning UK time, and then will be repeated at 3 p.m. UK time. So hopefully one of them will be within your time zone. Each day we'll be focusing on finding solutions to different problems we come across in market research. Some of the things we'll be looking at will be based on a survey we recently conducted amongst market research professionals.
So the topics for each day are: Monday the 4th of November will be data collection, Tuesday the 5th will be data analysis and tabulations, Wednesday the 6th will be reporting as reports or dashboards, Thursday the 7th will be qualitative research focusing online communities and social media research, Friday the 8th will be a panel discussion. Each webinar will last 30 minutes with a 20-minute presentation and 10 minutes for Q&A, except on Friday where the panel will be discussing topics for 1 hour with plenty of time for us to answer any questions you might have.
So on Monday, we'll be looking at data collection. We'll be covering CAPI, CATI, paper surveys, and of course, online surveys. We'll be tackling problems that came up in a questionnaire amongst market research professionals recently. Things such as data quality, response rates, data integration, so that you can find the right software for you. On Tuesday, we'll be looking at data analysis and tabulations, where again, we will look into data integration and how data can be integrated into other systems, such as reporting. We want to question how you process data at the moment and look for some better ways of doing things. We'll also be tackling ways in which you manage your tracking studies, as they are something that are quite important to many market research agencies around the world. So on Wednesday, we'll bring the spotlight onto reporting, both PowerPoint reporting and producing dashboards. One of the most notable facts that came from our survey was a problem that people have getting data into dashboards. There's a clear demand for dashboards for buyers of market research these days, and that's because there are many business data is now being presented in dashboard forms so that people can explore data easily. So on Thursday, we'll turn to online communities and social media and looking at issues like keeping respondents engaged, managing participants, trying to build a real community spirit so that a community can thrive. We'll be looking at data quality, particularly social media, and looking at some of the issues involved achieving the highest level of quality. And finally, on Friday, we have our 1 hour session where we have experts for the software business. This will include people from companies that develop software, people responsible for implementing software in larger companies, people in the digital space, and also data people who are experts in handling data or big data. So join us for Software Week. The week's all about looking at problems and trying to find solutions that will benefit you and your company. You're welcome to come to as many sessions as you wish. You're welcome to invite as many colleagues or other business associates. We want you to have your say at these webinars and post questions to our experts that are on hand on that week. We look forward to seeing you between Monday the 4th of November and Friday the 8th of November. Thanks a lot.